Guys, another day, another 4 deals. That's right, I got 4 deals today. I didn't set out to get 4 deals, I just went out to pick up 2 deals. The first deal I got is a Cannondale made in America. It's a pretty junker, but I only paid 30 bucks for it, and it's ready to roll. Doesn't need a lot of work. I mean, you can see it's not in a great shape, so the piece is broken, etc. But overall, not a bad deal. I could probably flip this for 200, 250, maybe even 150 if I'm really motivated. The next deal over there is a real nice one. It's a track. It's an older model, but the guy I bought it from took very good care of it. He put new wraps on it, new seats, new chain, and new tires. You can see the tire nipple still on there, unlike this one. Okay, so I got to pay 150 for this one, and I'll try to flip that for 400 to 500 bucks. And then I made a rookie mistake. I forgot to empty out my kids' toys out of the car, and so I got 2 bikes in here. Okay, this one right here is a track, older model. I paid 20 bucks for it. It's ready to roll, doesn't need any work. And the other one is a nice track mountain bike that I paid 100 bucks for, and I'll be easily to flip that one for 350 to 300 really easy. Okay, so I paid 100 for it, so that's 3x my money on that one bike. The one that I bought for 20 bucks, I'll be able to sell it for 200 to 250 to 150, somewhere around there. Depends on what kind of speed I want to sell it to. If I want to sell it warp speed, 150. If I want to sell it slower, then I'm looking at the higher end. It's all about the timing. So in one day, not even a full day, a few hours, I was able to pick up 4 bikes. And again, I have a little Nissan Leaf, and you can see that 4 bikes will fit in there. Okay, so don't let people tell you can't do these deals. All you need is 100 bucks. I did 2 deals today. All I had was 20 bucks for one and 30 bucks for the other, and I'm gonna 6-7 times my money out of 20 bucks. Okay, you can't get that with anywhere.